I can't imagine truly wanting to quit something and not being able to quit. I can't imagine it. Like, when I talk to people who say, I want to quit smoking, I say, when? They go, oh, well, soon. Well, that means you don't want to quit. You want to keep smoking for a while and quit later. I can't imagine a mind frame or a mindset where I want to do something and can't do it. Because if you have that kind of mind, if your mind is so fundamentally broken that you cannot do with your own mind what you want to do, right? You know, like that, then you're just fucked. If you cannot control your own mind, then you are just a feather in the wind of life. Because your own mind is the only thing you can control. You can't control the weather. Right. You can't control other people. You can't even control whether your heart stops beating. You might have a heart attack tomorrow. You can't control anything besides what you think. If you cannot control your own mind, then you go through life with zero control, zero influence. You can't control anything. You're just a feather in the wind, waiting for life to blow you from happy place to sad place to happy place to sad place, completely hoping on the gods to be fortunate to you, because if any genuine discomfort comes your way, you're fucked. It is trained like everything else in life. It is trained. So if you find yourself not appreciating what you have until it's gone, then you must blink and cure your brain. If you find yourself unable to focus or concentrate on tasks, you must blink and cure your brain. If you find yourself unable to go and dedicate yourself to something you don't want to do, you must blink and cure your brain. Because all of our minds have been under constant assault for years. The way the mind functions, the way people interact, has changed so significantly in the last 10 years you wouldn't believe. Because everybody's fucking distracted. They're getting distracted by this, distracted by that, watching fucking Netflix, jerking off to Pornhub like fucking jackasses. It's so easy to win if you can control your own mind. But it seems that nobody fucking can. It gets to a point where you finally must accept the reality that your physicality and your mentality as a man are linked, and you cannot be happy and strong in your mind if you are weak in your body. You need to have a strong body to have a strong mind as a man. There's no way to escape it. And that's one of the reasons why I preach so much about training, learning to fight, get in the gym, get bigger, get stronger. You will fix your mind if you fix your body. You should be as strong as you possibly can. We're now teaching the new generation of men that they don't have duty and they can just act on their feelings and act how they feel, and they don't have to act as a man should. Do you know what happens when you get men who just act how they feel? You get school shooters, you get violence, you get rapists. Men who do not control their emotions are dangerous. If you find a man who is stoic, he's not going to hurt people. He's going to sit and think about his actions very carefully, and he's going to be a good man who protects and provides for his family. You find a man who just acts out on impulse and does whatever he feels like, you're going to find a dangerous man. Sitting here telling men to cry more and act with their feelings, and it's okay to feel this way, that way, etc., and have no self-control. That is why we have the problems we have in the world.
Hey, Andrew, so how do I get like a six-pack quick? What's the fastest way to get a six-pack?
Why does it have to be quick? Why does it have to be easy? Why do you think life is all quick and easy? Why can't it be hard and difficult? Why can't you suffer? Because suffering is what gives it value. If everyone had a six-pack and it was quick and easy, then it wouldn't be valuable, would it? If everyone walked around with a six-pack and they got it easily, then no one would give a shit. The whole point is that it's difficult to get. Value is linked to difficulty. If you want something that is valuable, you need something which is difficult to obtain. The fact that you just said you wanted it quick and easily shows that your whole mental model is fucked. You shouldn't be thinking about quick and easy. You should be thinking about hard, suffering, pain, going through it. That's what you should be thinking about. This is going to be hard, but I'm going to do it anyway. Because when it is done, then everyone's going to know that I went through something difficult. The bad things that are happening to you are what you need to become the man that you want to be. Someone emails me and says, this has happened to me. I'm like, good. No, what do you mean good? It's terrible. How else are you going to become important? How else are you going to find endless fire to get up and struggle in the face of the competition that's out here? How else are you're going to do all that with a nice, cushy life? If any man's honest with himself, think about the biggest transformative stages in your life. Think about the times you got the most work done. It was a bad part of your life. You were heartbroken, or you lost a house, or broke, or whatever. That's when you did shit. When everything was fine, when the woman's still sucking dick, the mortgage is paid, dinner's on time, it's kind of doop-de-doop-de-doo, little by little, do a little bit of work, do a little bit of relax. But the big events come from trauma. This is it. So it's a cheat code. It's a cheat code to climb the mountain. So when I get a message from whoever and he goes, my wife left me, I'm devastated. I say, I understand. I completely understand how hard it can be to lose a woman that you've given your entire life to. And you've done so many nice things. And then because of one thing you did, her innate and absolutely insane level of ungratefulness has turned her bitter, and she now talks to you like she hates you over one thing you've done after thousands of efforts showing how dedicated you are to her. And even now that you're prepared to die for her, she doesn't give a shit about you. I understand that pain. But my answer is, good, it's still good. Now take all of that pain, and instead of emailing me, do this. We live in a comfortable world now where people think, oh, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. But you know what? To some degree, it does matter. It does matter, and I'm gonna tell you who it matters to. It matters to your soul, and it matters to God. I stand in the mirror with a pure heart. I know I am the best version of me that could possibly ever exist. I know that God is proud of me. There's nothing that God hates more than sloth and laziness. If God were to create a man, and that man were to sit around and do fuck all, God will frown upon you. It's why you're never lucky. If you're listening to this and you think I'm never lucky, I'll tell you why, because God dislikes you because you're fucking lazy. Start to work, start to show God the beauty of his own creations. You'd be amazed how lucky you'll become. God is unhappy with these people. And inside their hearts, they're unhappy. We talk about depression, anxiety, all those things you mentioned earlier on this podcast. That comes from self-loathing. You loathe your own weakness. You loathe your own laziness. This is what all of these things are. I don't feel depression. How can I feel depression when I'm the most powerful version of me that I could ever fucking be? How can I feel depression when I could squeeze my own hand hard enough to break my own bones? How can I feel depression when I've smashed and destroyed 68 people's faces in front of me, men who thought they could test me in fair combat? How can I feel depressed? It's impossible. Do you understand? Every fucking day, I don't feel like doing things that I still do. It's called discipline. It's called being a man. It's not about feeling like doing it. If you only do things you feel like doing, you know what you end up doing?
What?
You end up sitting around with a belly, drinking soya fucking latte bullshit. That's what you end up doing if you only do what you feel like doing. You have to wake up and say, I don't feel like training, but I must train. I will stop being a loser. I will follow the word of Tay. You need to do what you're supposed to do, not what you feel like fucking doing.
Okay.
That's the difference between a man and a fucking child. You do not become a man doing what you feel like doing. You become a man doing what you're supposed to fucking do. The men on the Titanic didn't feel like dying that day. It's your duty. It is your duty to not be a fat piece of shit. But you fucking it up because of a lack of motivation. The world is hyper competitive. If you're going to be a man who's going to sit and say, I'm just sad, you are always going to lose in competition to men like me. Yeah. And there has to be losers for there to be winners. I am tired of sympathy. Sympathy doesn't work for anybody. I'm not going to sit here and be sympathetic for people who say they're too sad to try hard and be their best. Guess what? Perhaps I was sad every time I did exactly what I was supposed to do and trained anyway. Perhaps I was afraid when I fought anyway. Perhaps I was tired when I worked anyway. This is how you get ahead in life. I don't have a fucking ounce of sympathy for these people who sit here and say, well, I feel this way, so I can't. Then don't do it. Stay down there. The winners are at the top, and the winners at the top don't give a shit about how they feel. We wake up and we perform regardless of how we feel day after day. So if I'm going to ignore my own feelings, I'm certainly not going to take into consideration anybody else's. Yeah. Why am I going to ignore how I feel and make sure I'm constantly performing regardless, flawlessly, and then sit and go, oh, but he doesn't feel good, so he's allowed to fuck up. No, you are not. You're not allowed to fuck up to your ancestors or to God or to yourself. You have to perform. Baseline of masculinity as a whole is the thing that makes a good man is that he does what he doesn't want to do. He doesn't want to work and he works anyway. He doesn't want to go to war and he fights anyway. He doesn't want to get up, he gets up anyway. That's the whole point of it. We didn't want to die in the Titanic. Guess what happened? We died in the Titanic. You can't sit there as a man and say you don't feel like it. You're not allowed to not feel like it. You're supposed to do it anyway, regardless. Yeah. So when a man sits there and says, oh, but you don't understand, I'm struggling with motivation. If you are struggling with the motivation to be a winner, then stay a fucking loser. No problem. Stay a loser. Don't care. Because in my circle, there's no losers around me. Your energy is disgusting. I find it revolting. I don't like weakness around me, even near me. Even people coming up saying hello to me. If you're depressed, don't even shake my hand. I do not have time for losers on any regard. Winners only. I find it amazing there are people out here today who are going to sit and say, oh, I'm sad, I'm too depressed, I don't want to work hard. Do you understand that only 200 years ago, there were peasants out working a field, starving, surviving the Black Death, surviving the plague, struggling to exist just to reproduce so that 200 years later you can be the end of their bloodline for you to sit on your ass and do fucking nothing. Like, you're a fuck up. You're fucking up your entire bloodline of your entire ancestry. You owe these people things. They went through hell for you to exist. You have a debt, you have a duty to pay. You have to be the best possible version of yourself. And the same to God. God loves people who try. God loves people who work hard. It's amazing if you try your very best all the time, what God will give you. He'll give it to you, anything you want, if you actually try. Not convincing yourself you try, actually try. They're different things.
I do not feel like training, but I still train because I'm a disciplined individual. You don't get to go through life only doing the things you feel like doing. Do you know who gets to do that?
Women.
Beautiful women. Beautiful women get to do what they feel like doing. As a man, you have to do the things you're supposed to do. Because what we said earlier is absolutely true. It's player versus player. Now, if I wake up, I've already got this massive head start over you in life. I'm getting every genetic gift, plus all my finances, plus my network. And I wake up and I decide, even though I don't feel like working, I'm going to work my ass off. And you wake up way down there, peon, and you can't be bothered to work. What chance do you have against men like us? You don't stand a chance. You can't get the girl. We'll take the girl off you. We'll bankrupt your ass. We'll kick you out your house. You name it. You don't stand a chance. Now, if you're going to wake up and look in the mirror and understand that you're absolutely not crushable, that you're a rabbit, and that lions exist, and that's not going to motivate you to do something about it, then you're a lost cause. And there's just no point asking us a question. You know exactly what you need to do. If you want to stay killable, then stay killable. But I can't live that way. I would refuse to live that way. It's a disgrace to my bloodline. It's a disgrace to my parents who struggled to raise me for me to be anything other than the best version of myself. That's honor. I have honor to my last name and to my ancestry. It would be disgusting for them all to have fought saber-toothed tigers so I can wake my lazy ass up, jerk off all day, and ask on YouTube how I can stop being a fucking loser. You understand where I'm coming from?
No, 100%.
So this is down to you, my friend. And listen, you may feel fired up for 10 minutes after this little talk, but you're not going to feel fired up forever. You need to put systems in place. You need to get discipline. And like Justin says, you need to get an atmosphere of people around you who are going to keep you accountable and not make it easy for you to continue to be a fucking nobody. And then you're going to fix your life. Otherwise, you're going to stay a nobody. I am absolutely and utterly a believer in hard work. I'm a proponent of hard work. I have all this money and all I do is work. My entire life is work. This podcast is work. I'm getting in the car and going to another meeting, work. I'm going to fuck a bitch, that's work. I'm going to go to the gym so I'm in good shape, work. It's all work. My entire life is work. And people don't want to look at life that way. They want to talk about work-life balance and being lazy and all this crap. I don't believe in any of that. I believe in if you want to win, you have to outcompete the man who's prepared to do nothing but work. It's player versus player. If you're going to sit there and go, I don't want to work more than an hour a day, well, the guy who does want to work more than an hour a day is going to beat you. And no matter how smart you are, there's always a smart dude who's doing the same smart work you are for more hours than you're doing it. That's just the nature of the game. I believe there's only 3 reasons people are not rich. One of 3 reasons. They're either stupid, arrogant, or lazy. Stupid is actually the smallest category. People think, oh, you know, there's a lot of stupid people. There are, but I know a lot of stupid people with a lot of money, right? There's so much money. To be too stupid to generate money, I think is less than 5% of the population. We're genuinely too dumb to ever make a good wage. Then you have arrogant and lazy, and these are the 2 most common. Lazy because people just, oh, you know, but I need time to myself. Oh, you know, but it's the evening. Or, you know, it's hyper competitive. There are people who do not need times to themselves. There are people, there's an Indian in Islam, or there's a guy in Islamabad who'll do your job online for $3 an hour and he doesn't sleep. You're gonna lose, right? So if you're gonna be lazy in any regard, you have to understand there are people like me who are billionaires who work 18 hours a day. When I finish this, I get into my car and I open my laptop and I work on my way to my next appointment. And I'm gonna work all night until the day I go. When I go to sleep, I close my laptop and I'm asleep a minute later. I work, that's all I do. So lazy is a big problem because people go, oh, but I just want to relax. If you just want to relax, that's fine. But you're competing against people who just don't want to relax and you're going to lose. And the last, and I'd say that's around, a lot of people have that element to them. A lot of people are lazy. That's about 50% of people. But the main reason people are not rich is because they are arrogant. 50% of people are brutally arrogant. And I'll give you an example. I have a school where I teach people how to make money. It's called The Real World. What's called Hustlers University is now called The Real World. TheRealWorld.ai. You can see it at CobraTip.com. I sit here as a billionaire and I sit and say, I will teach you how to make money online, anybody, 18 modern wealth creation methods. It's $49 a month. And people will sit there in their brutal arrogance and as a brokey with no money and go, yeah, but can he really teach me? I have everything you've ever fucking dreamed of. And I have all the money. You have nothing. And you're so arrogant that you believe you know more than me, or that you can do it without me, or that I don't know how to teach you. The arrogance of people is truly mind-bending. If you know so much, why are you broke? You obviously don't know. If I want to learn how to box, I wouldn't walk into a boxing gym, find a guy who can box and go, yeah, you know, not bad, but can he really punch? Like, this is how people think when it comes to money. You guys are all successful enough. You can sit there and say, look, I do X, Y, Z. I have X, Y, Z. You don't have it. So do you want to learn how to play piano from the piano teacher, or do you want to sit there as an arrogant brokey? Most people are brutally arrogant. And you can sit there and you can try and help them, and they're just so arrogant. They think, oh, I can do it myself, or I'll work it out myself. I don't need help. And it's arrogance, and it keeps them at the bottom. Everything great that's happened to me in my life, someone taught me. I had a kickboxing coach. My dad was my chess coach. You get taught things. To sit there and think you're too good to learn. Well, this is the problem. Most people are broke. Most people are broke because they're arrogant, bro. It's the truth. It's nothing to do with how stupid they are. They're just arrogant people. When I was broke, I couldn't sleep. I don't know how there's broke people out here sleeping just fine at night. Going, oh, you know, inflation's 20%, gas prices are 6 times, everything on the news is a lie, I never stand a chance of ever getting rich, where's my pillow? Like, what the fuck is wrong with you people? I go to bed at night as a teenager and think, I looked it up on the internet. It was a Honda Civic Type R. I wanted one. It was 38,000 pounds. I had no money. Less than 50 pounds in my bank account. Couldn't afford it. Then I looked up how much a Ferrari cost. 210,000 pounds. And I said to Tristan, my brother, I was like, there are people with 210,000 pounds for a car. And he's like, yes, so? I'm like, no, not so. How? If I worked my job for 6 years and saved every penny, if I walked to work and didn't eat, I couldn't buy this car. How are people doing this? I couldn't sleep at night when I was broke. I knew that everything was a lie. I knew the Matrix was lying to me. I knew I had to find a way out. I was sitting there going, I refuse to live my human years and be some second-class citizen peasant when there's people out here who get to do whatever the fuck they want. I couldn't tolerate it, and I was so uncomfortable that it gave me the motivation I needed to escape. But the people who go, oh yeah, nice Ferrari, yeah. Back to the TV. Dummies, losers. And the thing about the world is, we need losers. I'm not mad at losers.
Alright, man. Alright, with another beautiful stream. Hi everyone, I'm back, done with my exams. Hey Ashok Yadav, bro, good luck for your exam. Hope your results will come as your expectations. Let's catch some pips together. Yeah, man, this is the motive. This is the motive to come on the stream in front of the people to catch everything together. So everything is moving, man. Everything is moving now. So 4 hours is moving, 1 hour is moving. So yeah, let's come to the charts. 30 minute is moving for the breakout. 1 hour is moving, 4 hours is moving, daily is moving, weekly is moving, monthly is moving. So weekly is bearish. For the daily candle, we don't have any top wick there. Yeah, man, we don't have any top wick there. I think if we can get the top wick, maybe this is a time to come down now. Maybe. Or maybe we came up. Oh, now this is getting tough. Like, yeah, man, now this is getting tough. GJ is also doing good. We have 1 minute left for the 4 hour candle to close. No, 1 minute, 10 seconds, 12, 15 seconds. I think we may have a potential sell stop there. If the next candle can come up, touch this level, we will have a sell stop there. But for before that, we need this candle to come all the way up, because this is a 4 hour candle open. Daily is bullish. So yeah, we have the trades for the counter trend for both pairs. And if we look at the gold, let's see if we can come up to create a steeper bottom wick there. Let's see, the magic key is there. Oh man, everything is good. So yeah, I think we have to wait. Yeah, let's see if we can get the bottom wick there. Yeah, I set my pending orders on both pairs. On we will set our pending order. If we win, we will get the bottom wick, top wick. Because look at this way, man. Look at this way. Like if we look at the 15-minute time frame, if we use the previous 15-minute candle, that will be a 37 pip stop loss. And I don't think so 20 using a 20 37 38 pip stop loss is a good idea. So what we need this candle to tap into this area so we can use this candle stop loss. Yeah, for gold I think we need some sort of a good bottom wick there. Yeah, at least till this level, that would be good. Maybe uh, GJ make more sense for us. Yeah, maybe GJ make more sense for us. Yeah, maybe GJ make more sense for us. So let's see, man. Maybe we, maybe we may have a potential sell stop there. GJ looks good. If this candle can come up more, that will be more good. Yeah, that will be more good for us. Gold, gold. Let's see if we can come down. But for now, I don't think so. We have anything. Whatever I do, there is a plan behind every trade that I took. So that is why I don't wanna I don't wanna break my own plan there. Open calc, market pending. That's it. So you know what, guys? I think what is the low of this candle? 769. 5-minute time frame. Yeah, we can keep our stop loss below the previous 5-minute candle. What is the high? 83.009. Yeah. So I will keep my stop loss above this candle high. Oh, that will be too deep there. So yeah, man, I'm just waiting for the 5-minute candle to close there. Alright guys, so I have a sell stop. I have a sell stop there. let's see. Yeah, that's it. Sell stop on the break of the 1 hour candle, on the break of the 4 hour candle, on the break of the daily candle, on the break of the 30-minute candle, 15-minute candle. Yeah, let's see. On gold we are not doing anything. We are not doing anything, so yeah, that's it. Let's see how we can get the opportunities together. So yeah, let's see if we can get the bottom wick till this level. I think I will take two entries there, one entry on this pair, one entry will be on the GJ. Or I think salary play also will be a good option for us. Salary play on the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, I will remove my sell stop after 4 minutes. If we don't get activated, I will wait for the salary play on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. I think that would be more amazing. But for now, like if we get the heavy push there towards the downside, I will I will go in that shit. But for now, I don't have any problem. Gold, gold, gold. Breaking the high. Not a very good idea for me to take this trade for now. This make more sense for me because this kinda came up for like 7.8 pips. 7.8 pips top wick. So we may delete the sell stop in 2 minutes. We will wait for the 15-minute candle to close first, then we will go for a sell stop. But for now, everything is good. 2 minutes. Yeah. We have 11.8. Yeah, 11.8. So yeah, if we don't get activate in next 2 minutes, I will delete this, because then like if this kinda came down, activates us in the last 2 minutes, this kinda may close with no wick at the bottom. And this, so what we want for the next candle, for this candle, we want this candle to came down and close with a bottom wick. So that will be the contradictory for our plan. So that is why I may delete my sell stop in next 1 minute. I think that would be good idea to like. And on gold, gold break the high. Yeah, we would be in this trade, but why we would be in this trade? Because when we know this is not the good idea to take this trade. So you know what, guys, we have 20 seconds left. I don't think so we will get into this trade. So yeah, let's do some analysis. 4-hour candle closed bearish, 1 hour is bearish, 30-minute is bearish, 15-minute is bearish. Every time frame is in our direction, so it makes sense for us to take this trade. So what we have to do, so yeah man, I'm deleting my sell stop there after drawing this rectangle. What I'm going to do here is I'm deleting this sell stop for 15-minute candle to close, and here are the potential cells. I will move these potential cells close below this level. I think we can keep this there. I will have my potential buys there. Yeah, every time frame is good. Every time frame is supporting me to get me into the trade. And we also have to understand one thing. We have news on pound yen in 50 minutes. So we may wait for the news, but for now everything looks good for me. So right, so this is no trade range for me. No trade range for me. So let's go to the alright, so let's take this shit from here to here. Potential cells close below. No trade range is good. Potential cells close above. Alright. Everything looks good, man. So yeah, now it is good. We have yeah, we have 4 minutes left for the candle to close. 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes. That's it. So yeah. Let's see how we can get into this trade, bro. So yeah, man, we are here for catching pips. We are here to teach you how to trade in the best way. We are here to to tell you the right stuff, what you need in your trading journey. People don't want to teach you that stuff, but I'm here to teach you that stuff. So yeah, guys, if you are on the stream, leave a like on the stream. Likes are very important. Let me see how many likes do we have on the stream. We have absolute 0 likes, man. Absolute 0 likes. We have 1 like now. Can we get more likes there? This is a big question there. Gold is pushing up. Wow, pushing up gold. So yeah, man, no problem. If something is not in our plan, we can't do anything. GJ, the only thing that is in our plan is this thing. I think stop loss will be also good. So yeah. So gold is pushing hard. Yeah, guys, man. If this kind of close a strong bearish, I don't think so there will be an opportunity for us to take the trade. I don't think so. If you think so, just go for it, man. Like I always said, man, the if something, do you trade SRC? 100%. 100%, there is no doubt about that. 100% SRC. But I don't take impulse entries. Other than impulse entries, I trade SRC. 100% I trade SRC without impulse entries. Because I think impulse entries, like when there is a lot of volume, you can take the impulse entries. But like, let me tell you what lot of volume means. Lot of volume means this. Oh, uh, like this. This 15-minute candle has 68 pips. So when you see candle is moving hard after giving you a fake out from the upside, then you can get into the trade from there to there, like 35 pips. And one more thing, like, I know you got the successful trade there. What about this? You have the huge volume, but did this candle gives you anything? No, it gives you a stop loss. That is why I always said, man, like, you have to be careful for the impulse entries. Yeah, we may see a push down towards the downside. Yeah, we may see a push towards the downside. So this 15-minute candle has no top wick. Let me see the fundamentals, what kind of numbers they are expecting. If they are expecting bad numbers, then we can look for a sell. GBP climate. So we have a red folder on the pound, and they are looking for good numbers. Good numbers mean it has to come up, it has to go up. If the numbers came good, it has to go up. Yeah, if the numbers came good, they are looking for good numbers. Yeah, they are looking for, oh, no, they are looking for bad numbers. So yeah, it makes sense for us to get into the trade for the salary play. Or I think if this candle has just flipped bullish, like just came up till this level, then break the low, that would be good. Then I will place my sell stop, but I need for this candle a little top wick there. Little top wick. Gold is coming down. As we all know, it can come down because 4-hour candle has no bottom wick there. When you have no bottom wick, like no bottom wick mean very little bottom wick. 2 pip bottom wick, 2.2 pips. So man, this is a 4-hour candle. Yeah man, good. Let's see if we can see a push up. Like whenever candles move first towards the downside, that means, look at this, that means it is just grabbing the liquidity for the next candle to came up. This is the thing you have to understand, man. Like some people may place their sell stop there. Hey man, this is coming down, I don't want to miss this trade. Who the fuck are you to say this? You don't want to miss this trade. Who the fuck are you to talk like this? Who the fuck are you to talk like this with the markets? Man, you can't. You can't. You can't talk like this with the markets. You can't. So वो आज आपको पैसे दे देगा जो आप टोकन मनी कह रहे थे, और वो ना वो बिल्ली चेक भी कर लेगा. अच्छा आप ये बता दें, कैट बिल्कुल हेल्दी है ना, और उसके अलावा ये बाथरूम ट्रेनर भी है ना, ट्रेंड है ना, वेल ट्रेंड है ना, ये ना हो कि कहीं भी कुछ भी. और बाकी ये घर में खुली रहने वाली है या ये इसका मतलब अपना अलहदा घर लेना पड़ेगा जिसमें ये मतलब अलहदा रहेगी. ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस है मेरे. So man, let's see. I think it is better for us to wait for the 30-minute candle to close weak bullish so we can get into the trade. This is it. This is it. Like, look at this, man. Now we get the top wick. This is kind of a top wick that we should look for the 4 hour time frame. I don't know why you don't like this kind of top wicks. You have to understand this shit. Also, one more thing is, if we can see a 15-minute candle, a weak bearish candle, but I think if this candle breaks the low, that would be good. Then we can place our buy stop there. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see, man. If this candle can come down, then break this candle low, and then close weak bearish, that will be the trade, man. That will be the trade of the day. Trade of the day. Yeah. We have 9 minutes left for the candle to close. We have to wait for 9 minutes. How much will be the stop loss now? 19 pips. Yeah, not a bad stop loss there. So you know what, guys? I will go with a 1% risk there. Yeah. Let me open calc and market pending. So let me place the order. Not place the order. Let me set the order. Yeah, my lot size will be 36 cents. Yeah. Muhammad Ali, good morning, bro. Good morning, man. Good morning. I'm kind of stuck on my phase 2 of my 110k challenge with a drawdown of 5.5%, currently on a tough mental struggle type of situation. With trade this account. Yeah, man, I can understand this. I can understand this. So yeah, this kind of stuff happen. Hey Ali, man, how are you, bro? How are you? So Ashok Yadav, I can understand, man. And also, guys, leave a like on the stream. Leave a like on the stream. That would be good for us. For the stream, we have 5 people watching. Let's see if we can get 5 likes now. We have 5 people are watching. We have 2 likes. I'm good. I'm good. How it's going, bro? Everything is going good, but yeah, I initially have my sell stop below the GJ, but I think now it is better for us to wait for the 30-minute candle to close, because we only have 7 minutes left for the candle to close. So 7 minutes are nothing. We going to get a trade on gold. Let me go to the gold. Man, look at this candle. Like, my concern is not my concern. If this candle close bearish, I would be in this trade, but this candle close bullish. So what I need this candle to like create a steep. Alright, so this candle close bullish, so I want for this 4-hour candle to came down to create a steeper bottom wick so I can get into the trade. We all know this is a counter trend trade. Look at the daily time frame, man. What daily time frame is saying to you? It is saying to you, man, I have to came down to create a steeper bottom wick, fill this wick on the daily time frame, then I'll go up. Man, you can imagine this thing. So that is why I am saying that we have to see the liquidity, because it can go down to grab the liquidity and we will get into the drawdown, and that will be a like bad drawdown. I don't like that drawdown at all, because why we have to get into the drawdown? That makes no sense for us. When we know if this candle can break the low of this candle and gives the 4-hour candle a good bottom wick and then close weak bearish, We know that will be a salary play for us. We can go for a trade. We have a clean range till this level, 50 pips. But the thing is, we are not here to force the trades. And alright, so let's see this. Like, if you see this kind of 30-minute candle, do you think like you have to take the buy at above this candle high and think like we will go up? These are the things. When you understand these things, then you will become a profitable trader. And also, like, if this candle close a weak bearish mean uh weak bullish mean like this is the weak bullish. This is weak bullish now. Why? Because look at the body. Body is 3 pips, weak is 9 pip. If we look at now, body is 2.2 pips, wick is 10 pips, 11 pips. This is kind of a weak candles. Like now this candle is, we gotta wait for a setup. Yeah, man, this is the thing that I am trying to teach you. Like, we have to wait for the candles to close. We have to, like, if we get into the trade there, what is the high? Like, if let's suppose if we have the spreads and we are in this trade, we just came up for 6 pips. Now we are in a drawdown of 7 pips. Do you like the drawdown? No, you don't like the drawdown. So when you don't like the stuff, why you are getting into that stuff that you don't like? Why you have to break your plans when you know if you take this trade now, that can easily fuck you up? So let me take Ali on my Discord. We have nothing to do here for now, so we can talk with a beautiful person. Yeah. Ali. So yeah, man, we can talk with Ali there. Let's see. Hey Ali, how are you, man? Man, I'm feeling good, man. Doing good, feeling good, and looking for the setup on GJ. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, because of the news. Man, you need only $7, $8, and you are struggling to get that thing. Oh, oh, real account, personal account. Yeah, man, that is good. So, why you are not trading on your funded account? Oh, yeah, I remember the stuff. Yeah, one of your relative. Yeah, 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 yeah. There, yeah, man, that's right. The guys leave a like on the stream, man. So we may get the closure by looking at the gold. Gold is not look good for now. On the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, Yeah, this is the thing that I am also concerning for. Like, man, we have no topic, and this looks like a rejection. This looks like John. Yeah, I look at this. Uh, yeah, this area that was the support on the daily time frame. But also, like where we are now, this is also a support. Like we are just like 3 pips away from the support on the daily time frame. This is the thing that let's go to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour is also concerning, but the thing is, if we can get a, yeah, for me the real problem was 4 hour candle has no bottom wick, and like when we also are afraid, like we may get rejected from at any time, and we don't have liquidity, then that is not a good idea to take the trade. Yeah, we may see like consolidation for the whole session. So 15th, yeah, yeah, CPI is just like shit today. Like if someone may think like uh, putting the buy stop and sell stop, gold will fuck up today. It can wick up to continue go down. It can wick down to continue go up. It can do both things. The only opportunity was the NFP, and because, man, like I don't take trades on news when I see the numbers like almost same. I always take the trade when I see the numbers extremely good or extremely bad, because then, like, then we can say, hey man, now I am in a drawdown of 40 pips. I don't care because I know numbers are in my direction. So because on the higher time frame it has to go in my side, it has to go in my side. So that is the thing. I am going to try and join you every day for your live stream. Man, that's good. That would be good. Are you going to trade the whole December? Man, whole December. We will trade even on the Saturday and Sunday. This is the plan for December, man. Not Saturday, I think Sunday. We will open the market for the back testing, and we will do the back testing. Are you going to trade the whole December? Yeah, man. I'll trade the whole December. Arslan Bhatti. Hello, man. Hello, Arslan भाई साहब, क्या हाल है आपके? कैसे हैं आप? Yeah, my plan for December is to start the live streaming in the New York session. Are you talking about the trading? I am thinking about the streaming in the New York session as well. Simulation session, yeah man, simulation session. Man, the whole week I was thinking like, man, I'm missing something. I'm missing something. What I'm missing? What I'm missing? And I was like, man, I am forgetting something. 2 days I was in the curiosity, and yesterday someone say, hey man, when you will give us the simulation session? I was like, man, this is the thing that I was forgetting. I really want to do a simulation session on the weekend, but man, I don't know how I forgot that thing. Really, when I when I wake up at 9 p.m., I see this candle, 1 hour candle close bullish after the retest. I was about to place my buy stop for the what we say for the impulse entry, and like I wait for like 11-12 minutes. It did not break the high. I delete my buy stop. It break the high and it closed bearish. I was like, man, I made a good decision. That it the next candle close uh, bullish above the range. The next candle close bearish below the range. It would have stopped me out, and yeah, man, that was very tough for gold. Then I decided like our time start after the 4 hour candle close. That is the best time to trade. Like whenever I do the simulation, I always go for the I always go for 8 a.m. candle. That is good. I see the good stuff. Like whenever I take the trade on the simulation session before the 8 a.m. candle open, it just because I take the trade in that direction, and the last 30-minute candle or last 15-minute candle just close in the opposite direction. Why? Because to give a 4 hour candle a top wick. And I was like, man, so yeah, man, look at this. Do we have any opportunity? No. Do you think that was enough? That was the candle that was enough for us to get the trade into sell? No. Very weak bearish, and yeah, no confirmation till yet on the GJ, and no confirmation till yet for the gold. I think if we can come down, if we look at the 30-minute time frame, and if we look at the like uh, before the breakout candle, 7 a.m. 7:30 candle is a breakout candle as GMT time. So the previous resistance area on the 30-minute time frame, if we can get came down, retest that area, create a support there, that would be good. And yesterday, man, I missed this trade. I missed this trade. Like I was waiting for the candle to close bearish after this big move there, but this candle, unfortunately I was not on the charts, and I think that was at 2 p.m. Yeah, that was at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. time. So I already spent my almost my 2.5 3 hours on the PC. So I was like, yeah, man, that's it. Now I think I'm done. And also my some of my cousin came to my home, and I was like, yeah, man, uh, like I have to end the stream, because if they know about me, they was like, hey, what are you doing? I have no answer for that. No one knows I'm doing this shit. No one knows. Yeah. Yeah, they will also, you know what they do, they just like demotivate you. They will say, hey, and then they also like man, when you are doing the good stuff, people always make some words on you, and this is the human nature. This is the I always say, like, this is the human nature. And whenever you are try to do something good, people always try to like break you, or they try to what we say, distract you. And it happened with me before, and but man, like, yeah, but it is what it is. Yeah, if they will find me on YouTube, like on their for you page, this is another case. But when I create my YouTube channel, I was 2 3 days I was consistently thinking, how can I maybe I should block like my all the Pakistani peoples. Then I was like, no, man, I just have to block the Bahawalpur area. Then I was like, man, just fuck this shit. Yeah, but yeah, let's see. Like if they find me, that's good. If they don't, that will be even better. And today I am getting one good thing, man. So today, yeah, tomorrow I will get my cat. Man, that will be good. I'm very excited. I like to have cats. I like to have cats, and I was consistently finding a good cat. And yesterday I found that today my cousin will go to the clinic. He will like take that cat to the doctor. If he said, yeah, man, that is good, everything is fine, then I'll buy that cat. I'll pay money for that, and tomorrow I'll get my cat and I'll put story on my Instagram. Man, I'm huge single person. Huge. I'm not in a relationship, so I need someone to give me some kind of like, you can understand, you know what I'm saying? So I was talking with my friend in the morning. uh, यार क्या करना है ट्राई मार के। अरे मैं ना अपने दोस्त से बात कर रहा था। मुझे कहता कितने की ली है, मैंने तो 10,000 की। कहता वाओ। तो मैंने कहा भाई, मेरी सिंगल लाइफ विच बिल्ली इन्नी खुशियां दे देनी है जिन्नी तेनू रिलेशनशिप विच नहीं लभियां। You know what? The Alright, so let me tell you a very good story. The last Friday, when I didn't do the stream, I go with my friends. He was on his date, and like we leave him in front of the university. That girl studying in the university, and he was very like, he take that girl to the cafe. And when I said to my two other friends, they was like, hey, let's go to the university, let's find him. So let's take his pictures, let's make a video. So yeah, we need some data. That will be the good, like that will be a good, you can understand. And we were like, we go to the university, and we ran for like 3 4 kilometers in the university, maybe more. I don't know from where the energy was coming. I don't know, but we were like running in the university. We were finding, man, you can, if you search IUB on the internet, they will tell you this is the, I think, biggest university in the after Punjab University. This is the biggest university by the area, and we find the whole university. When we give up because there is nothing left to search, my friend just opened his Snapchat, and he get the location from the Snapchat, and he was on the cafe. I was like, we were like, man. And I, like, my friend called him. Hey, he said, hey, where are you? We were waiting for you. You tell us like you will take like just 10 minutes, 15 minutes. He was like, yeah, I'm in the university. We were just calling to confirm that he's in university. He was consistently lying with us, and we were consistently finding him. And when we see his uh, when we see his location on the Snapchat, he don't know till now. His Snapchat location is on, and we just go to that cafe. And as we entered into the cafe, he said this, oh sare पैंच चौद आ गए नी." Oh man, his one color came and the second gone. And he was like, how they come? And we come with a plan. And at the time, like, we see his condition, we were like, man, we can't tell him like we came with a plan. We can't tell him this thing. So what we did, we just we just do this stuff like we said to him, hey, like man, we said to him, hey, why you are doing here? He said, why you are doing? We were like, man, you are in the university and we are here for like our some stuff like to eat something. This man feeling hungry, so that was a, he said, yeah man, I was lying with you, and we bash him like, man, you are speaking lying with us for the girl, and that's it, blah blah. He was like, then he gives us a treat of 8,000 rupees. And that is why I was saying to him, man, I my investment is better than yours. Like he first he like he was with his girl, and he spent, I think, five 6,000 with his girl, and then he spent 8,000 on us, and that was 13,000. And I spent like 10,000 for the cat, and 5 6,000 for the stuff, other stuff. And I was and the same day, his girl blocked him. Blocked him. His girl blocked him. He didn't block her. So I was like, what happened? He said, I said to her, hey, don't go with your friends. They are not good. I don't like them. And she said, hey, if you talk with me like this, I will block you. And she blocked him. Now he is unblocked now, but the thing is, but the thing is, that is why then I said to him, then I let me tell you the full. आहो मेरी सिंगल लाइफ विच बिल्ली इन्नी खुशियां दे देनियां जिन्नी तेनू रिलेशनशिप च नहीं लभनियां मेरी सेफ इन्वेस्टमेंट है तेरी इन्वेस्टमेंट किसी दिन भी खुडे लग सकती है because man like this time she unblocked him but what is the guarantee for the next time? There is no guarantee for the next time. So yeah guys, uh, yeah, gold is pushing down very slowly, candles printing bearish. We may see a 1 hour, no, we may see a 30-minute salary play, not a salary play. If we can see, but we have a news, man. I think news will push gold towards the upside a little bit, then it will come down. GJ, GJ looking good. Like they are expecting the bad numbers. Bad numbers mean gold. GJ has to came down, and if GJ has to came down, then you can understand. So let me show you my cat there. Yeah, that's it. So let me show you my cat there. Display capture. Uh, you can still, you can't see the cat till now. Nothing. So let's go. Oh, over door. From February to July. Man, this is very tough to like to make money in trading. It is very tough, man. Like because we see Raja Banks, he was doing good, and we were like, man, yeah, ये पता है क्या, ये बिल्लियों को सिखाना पड़ता है. she, she yeah, she's fully trained now, like she know how to play with the with his what we say that, like, honors. She know this. So yeah. Yeah, man, if we can get the salary play on the 1 hour time frame, that would be good. I may have my sell stop below this candle. Yeah. Like what I see, like if the numbers come more than the expected, it means these are the bad numbers. If the numbers oh yeah, this is also one good stuff there. Yeah, man. Also on the GJ, it is even more worse on GJ. If you are on gold, you can get better entry. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can get the better entry. Oh man, you shouldn't go for a buy limit after looking at the fundamentals. Buys. You get into buys first. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. You what lot size you take? 0.04? 0.4. But when you see the profits, you was like, man, this is good. Yeah. Oh man, if that is why you close the trade. Oh, yeah. If you go with a less risk, I don't think so. You will close the trade. Yeah, yeah. Oh man. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Man, that was good. So you know what I will do? This is the thing that I look at the GJ on from the magic keys. Like we can, like, first whenever we click on the open calc, we got two lines, and if we click on the open trade, it just open the trade. It also, like, calculate the calculate the lot size on its own. So I have my buy stop above this candle. After looking at the numbers, I will just click on the open trade. That's it. It will open my trade on its own. And I'm looking for the sell entry. Yeah. Why you didn't put your... Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, this thing happened. This thing happened. Yeah, but this is not good, man. Like you have to respond your clients, man. You have to respond your clients. So, wow, $150. Fuck, man, you paid too much money. I think this is your first account you are using from the day first, day one. Oh, first, and it was also on the Dominion markets. Oh, yeah, yeah. I know. Like, if the news come, it has to go up. Unfortunately, you will see a 50 pip wick. If you don't have your stop loss, you will see 200 pips wick. If you still have money in your bank, you will see a 500 people. Yeah, they do that kind of stuff. That is why, man. Yesterday on the stream, I was talking about the manipulation. Manipulation happen in front of us. I think I will record that clip, and oh, we have I think 1 minute left for the news. First, we have to look at the numbers. We have to look at the numbers. Yeah, man. We have to look at the numbers. Alright. We have a top wick for the 1 hour candle. Oh shit! I think we have to go for a trade. 1 minute. Let's see how the 1 minute candle close. Oh, numbers are positive. Oh, numbers are positive, man. Oh, numbers are positive. I'm not going into this trade. No, absolute no. Uh, yeah, first it came up, then it slipped, came all the way down for like 20 pips. Yeah, man, that's it. I don't think so. I'll go in this trade for now. Very tough now. I think maybe it retrace all the way up. Yeah, yeah. News is. I think it just activates the sellers there. It activates the seller at 620 618. There, slipped like 15 pips, and now it will go up. Yeah, because it ran from here to here, like slipped 20 pips. Oh, let's go to the gold. Gold, gold. We have 1 hour candle close, 1 hour also close. Very weak bullish, man. 30-minute weak. No, nothing, man. For me, there is nothing. Because if we only look at the 15-minute time frame, that is like 50-50. But if we look at the 30-minute time frame, the body of the candle is dodgy. If we look at the previous 30-minute candle, still dodgy. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, still dodgy. I don't think so this is a good idea. And thank god I look at the numbers, man. I would have activated there, and I was in a drawdown of like 20, maybe more than 20 pips, man. Yeah, thank God I look at the numbers. I was about to get into this trade. Then I was like, oh man, I have to look at the numbers, and numbers are positive. So man, numbers are positive. So yeah, numbers are positive. I don't know why it is coming down when numbers are positive. Yeah. So man, we have a difference of 4,000. 4,000 is very too much, because if the previous numbers are 400,000 and we have a difference of 4,000, that is nothing. But if we have like 17k numbers previous, 20k are expected, we have 20% less numbers than expected or forecast. We have 20% less numbers. 20% means one fifth. Like if the numbers came 2400 or 24,000, I would definitely go for a sell. And now we were like, as it came up, now I think we will be in this trade for like we may fill the whole range there on 24,000 numbers. And also there, one more news, one orange folder came, average earning index. Their numbers came negative, so that is why it first came down. Now it may go up, because that was also a red fold orange folder. So that is why orange folder also have some sort of yeah, look at this, man. It just came down to give people a little FOMO, so they can get into the sell one more time. So if they didn't get into the sell, hey, oh, this is pushing down, take a sell. That's it. Now move up. So my cousin reply me. I have to tell him to go to the clinic to look at the cat and हाँ जेबी वो चला जा तू क्लिनिक पे और वो देख के आ यार कैट का ना उसके साथ डन कर तो उसकी फूड तो इसी ले ले कैट की और बाकी इसकी चेन एक ले ले कोई अच्छी सी ले के बाज़ार से ले तू और कैट अभी उसके पास रहने दे कल शायद मैं आया ना तो फिर मैं और मैंने दोस्त के साथ आना है तो फिर हम वो उठा लेंगे खुद या फिर तू कैट मैं तो बता दूंगा जो भी करना होगा अगर मैं कल ना आया तो फिर मेरा दोस्त आएगा तो उसे दे देंगे कैट तो वो तुझे उठा लेगा तेरे घर से और तू उसे कैट ले दी और वो ले आएगा इधर उस्मान one of my friend liked cats too much but his father is a doctor his mother is a doctor his brother is a doctor they don't want cats or any pet in their home so that is why he has no permission to keep the pets in their home that is why he always said hey if you buy the cat I'll go home I'll came to your home every day to play with the cat and I was like, now I tell him, hey, I am. Yesterday night I sent him a message. I said to him, hey, tomorrow I am going to buy my cat, and my cousin will give you the cat. You can bring cat to my home. And he said to me, and he's give a reply to me like 1 hour before and I said to him no I think we can take the cat tomorrow and he was like hey you I will take that cat for you you can't go to the Bahawalpur to take the cat I will take that cat to your house so I will play her for like 1 2 hours. I was like, yeah, that's it, no problem. So yeah, man, we break the high of the 1 hour time frame, and we are look at this. Like, oh right, look at this, man, struggling. So if you get into the trade there, because this candle high, you have to counter the spreads. 2 pips in spreads. Is it 2 pips? No. Here are the 2 pips. Now you are in a drawdown of 10 11 pips. Would you like to be in a drawdown? I don't like to be in a but like if I take the trade on my setup and I go to in a drawdown, no problem. But if I see this kind of stuff, look at this what I said, man. Like I said two numbers came, one is positive, one is negative. If you see the wick, this is because of the negative numbers. But now it has to go up for the positive number. चलो लड़के से कहियो कल शाम को आए 6 बजे तक क्योंकि सुबह यूनी होता हूँ मैं भाई सुबह वो भी यूनी होता है तू इस तरह कर चैन उसके पास होगी वहाँ से चेक कर लेंगे जब जाएंगे यार तू अभी कहाँ है अगर तू यूनी नहीं है तो अभी चला जा उसके में मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं वो कह रहा है कि वो पहले वाला पेट निकल गया ये भी सेल हो जाएगी so I don't wanna lose this cat man I really wanna buy this cat so look at the gold man now it is coming down so that is why I always said man oh I think now if we can get the closure above this resistance then we can go for a trade like why because now we don't have anything in our way let me go to the forex factory we don't have any news now if we can get the top wick or if we can get the closure above this range we can go for a trade I think sells make sense below this level 30 pip range yeah sells make sense below this level यूनी हूँ अभी भाई अब तू किस यूनी में पढ़ने लग गया कितने कोर्स करने हैं तूने? Man, my cousin is getting degrees, degrees, degrees. Oh, 1 hour is flipped into bearish. I think everyone would have stopped out there. Yeah, if someone is, oh man, that will be a sniper entry there, man. But in opposite direction. Yeah, sniper entry, but in opposite direction. Same on GJ. Sniper entry, but in opposite direction. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is the thing, man. That is the thing. Like I forgot about that, man. Like when I see it is coming, I was like, Ali, I have to go. I have to go in this trade. I was like, what the fuck I'm doing, man? I have to look at the numbers first. Then I go to the. I see numbers, man. Numbers are good. I was like, man, no, there are no sells for me. If it drives, it drives. Who cares? So yeah. नेम क्या है क्लिनिक वाले का? अच्छा, मैं ना तुझे अब इसका नंबर भी सेंड करता हूँ, उसकी क्लिनिक का नाम भी सेंड करता हूँ, दोनों चीज़ें सेंड करता हूँ। Man, look at the GJ, man. GJ is crazy. GJ is crazy, just coming up. Like, look at the 1 minute time frame. Like this 15 minute, let's see, it is a 15 minute candle. This kind of close above this range. This kind of gives us a salary play. This kind of gives us a support. This kind of break the high. That was a structure below 10 pips. 15 pips is pushing up. Wow, man. Wow. So, but we know this is a 1 minute time frame, so we can't go to the trade. But the thing is, like, if you don't lose the money, you are also winning. Like if someone is in the trade, he take a loss, but we are not in this trade, we are winning. Yeah. Man, yesterday the best trade was this. Yesterday, yesterday the best trade was this. Man, like yeah, if I would be on the charts, I would definitely go for the trade. Definitely. And that can also gives us very easy one-to-one, man. That was extremely good trade on GJ. नहीं भाई, वो सिर्फ आ रहा है आपकी क्लिनिक पे जस्ट टू मेक श्योर यू आर लेजिट, यू आर like not a scammer. That is why he is coming to you, but we don't have any problem, like we have to buy this. So he is just making sure like this is like exist in this world. Like there was a, like I bought a phone from the OLX, and I got in scam, so that is why he's coming to you to make sure you have the real cat, you have everything. So that is why, like I will send him money, or I will send that money in your bank directly. I have no problem. 15-minute candle closed bearish below this level. This looks good on the. Alright guys, so congratulations for the stop loss that you just took. Yeah, man, congratulations for your sniper entry. You took the stop loss of 19 pips. Yeah, no problem. This is not problem, no problem at all, because this is good. In this way you will understand the lessons. Fuck lessons, man. If you are not following your plan, just fuck your lessons. We don't need lessons, we need money. Man, if you are learning the lessons after losing the money, this is not good. Like after breaking your plan. This shit looks good towards to me. I don't know what I have to do now, but man, looks very tough. You know what? I am also looking at the 1 minute time frame. These two 1 minute candles saying to me, "Hey, don't do that." I'm looking at the 15-minute time frame in front of the peoples, and I'm looking at the 1 minute time frame on my laptop. Like how 1 minute time frame is moving. Very tough. Let's see if we can come up a little bit more, like good liquidity grab. And but for me, for now, man, that will be the extra confirmation trade. And I will go with 1.5%, maybe 2%. But for now, it looks shit to me. So yeah, man. Like, let's see if we. Oh fuck, man. Look at the gold, man. This is the thing that we know, like it can turn towards the downside at any time. And also there was no setup there. This weak bearish bullish candle, man. Like we need this kind of candles to play the salary play. But oh, top week. So that is why I was afraid, like it can fuck you up at any time. The best thing is we close below this range. This is the best thing is we close below this range. Let's go to the still below this range. Yeah, we close below this range. This is good. But I see one thing. Yeah, that was alright. Remove this. Guys, gold is pushing down, so there is nothing for us to take there. I think if you think there is something for you, you can go for it. Like if you go for this trade, man, then you are already down, man. Why you are looking for? Looks like a liquidity grab. Toe go up on GJ. Yeah, it was look like for me also a liquidity grab, but this kind of closed below this range too. Now it is no looking like a liquidity grab. Like if this candle can close weak bearish mean below this candle, below this low. We have 8 to 9 minutes left for the candle to close. If this candle can make a little bottom wick there, close above this range there, oh below this range there, what does that mean? That means we will have 6 pip wick fill, oh 6 pip wick and 6 peak body. So that means body is weaker than the weak. So weaker body means opposite moves in the opposite direction. So that is the thing that I am anticipating. Also, one thing I said is, like, whenever you see the news on GJ, it always do this thing. Like it always close with a, like, when we you can, if you remember that trade that we took on the CPI, that was the same thing. Like, CPI numbers were extremely bad, but how it closed? It closed with a big bottom wick. So this thing happen every time with GJ, and it gives the move after the 30 minute or after the 15 minute. I think today it will gives us a move after the 30 minute. So let me take my charger, and I'll back in 2 minutes because we don't have anything for now. So let me see the gold. I have one more level there. Maybe I, not just maybe, like if we get the closure on the London Open, I will rely on the London Open to calm this move down, because we are bearish for the daily. So if 4 hour like create a resistance there, that means we have to, that will be an onion play setup for us. So that is the thing that I will rely on that stuff. Yeah, if this kind of can close below this range, I'll go for a sell, man. I'll go for a sell. So let me take the charger. Alright, man. So, GJ looks like very good. Ali, how, man? I'm back. Yeah, GJ flipped. I don't want it to break its own high or whatever. I want this to just close below this range. Because that will then this way this 30-minute candle also will close below this range. So we want this candle to close below this range because we don't only need 15-minute salary play, we also need closure below on the 30-minute time frame, because if it close above the range, for me it will still be a rejection. But if it close, yeah, because it just has to create a bottom wick. This is where your experience came. This is where your discipline came. Like someone may say, hey man, I have to go into this trade. I don't wanna I don't wanna miss this trade. Like if this, what if this kinda close bullish, then what? Man, just understand this shit. Like, or if it close above this range, if it close above this range, for me everything is same, like it close bullish. So you have to understand this stuff. We still have 1 minute. We still have 1 minute left. Almost 1 minute left. Yeah, we still have 1 minute left for the candle to close. Let's see if this 1 minute candle push this shit to came down. Let's see. Gold sell for me. It is too early. Yeah. Let's go to the 15. Yeah, heavy bearish. Yeah. Oh, no setup on the. Yeah, man, we have to create a wick on the. Oh man, yesterday you. Oh, this kind of close, good bearish. Defeat. Yeah, I will wait for this candle to. Yeah, GJ close above the range, so nothing for me. This candle close above the range. 30-minute close. Very shit candle. So I don't think so. Assalamu alaikum. I don't think so. This is a good idea for me to take the trade, because man, I wanna do the trading like a bot. Also, I wanna hold the trading like the bot, but I am working on that stuff. But I know I'm not taking the bad entries, like entries that are not in my plan. So what I said this before, I said I may take the trade below this level, or I may take the trade on the 1 hour time frame if the 1 hour candle close bearish below this candle wick. If it close below this wick, then I may be interested. But for now, I think my potential sells are below this level. That is heavily based on the London volume. Like GJ is coming down, but this is not in my plan. We may see a push towards the downside on GJ, but yeah, we may see a push towards the downside. Everything is possible, but we have to understand what is our plan. Alright guys, so we have a sell stop, so I'll wait for like 2 minutes more. If we don't get activated, we will wait for the 15-minute candle to close. We may see a sell replay on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, now it is 108. Oh, 109. So I will wait. Yeah, I will wait for as this candle, as this 5-minute candle close. I will I will remove this, because then we have the last 5-minute candle. We may not see the trade there. I think we may see. I think we. Oh, we break the high on the 15-minute time frame, but we didn't break the high on the. Oh, we break the high on the 30-minute time frame, but we didn't break the high on the 1 hour time frame. Fuck man, I'm not that guy like who say hey. This trade is now based on that 4 time frame. No, I'm not that guy. If if you really think this is on the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame is saying we create a new high. What we have to do now, we have to create a support there. We have to fill this wick. And now enough is enough. What GJ is saying to us? GJ is saying to us, hey, enough is enough. Now I grab the liquidity for the daily candle. Now I'm coming up. Now I'm coming up. I don't care about you, what you think about me, but I'm doing my own business. Gold is gold is saying the same thing, man. Look at this. 1 hour 30-minute breakout. But that is why I always look at the 15-minute time frame, man. I think this is the thing that I do the in to get better in my trading. Like I always keep my ranges on the 15-minute time frame. I think the best ranges are on the 15-minute time frame and the best entries are on the 30-minute time frame. Oh man, this is a good stuff. Like let me yeah. So the best entries are on the 30-minute time frame, and the best ranges are on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah. लगता है चार्ट्स हमें कुछ नहीं देना चाहते लंदन सेशन में। अली अगर ये हमें कुछ नहीं देना चाहते तो द बेस्ट थिंग, हम इनसे किस तरह जीत सकते हैं? हम इनसे जीत सकते हैं कुछ ना लेके, ना कि हम इनसे कब हारेंगे? जब हम इन्हें कुछ दे देंगे। अगर हम इन्हें कुछ दे नहीं रहे, अगर ये हमें कुछ नहीं दे रहे तो हम भी इन्हें कुछ नहीं देते। फक ऑफ टू द चार्ट्स। Yeah, we don't care about this stuff. Like if they don't wanna give us something, we don't give a shit. Like we place our sell stop, no problem. Like what gold did, man. If someone is in the cells and he keep his stop loss above these ranges, it also stopped out, man. We may get the position on the 30-minute time frame if we see the closure below this range. At least sales looks good. let's see the 4 hour time. Yeah, man. Alright, so let me tell you one thing. Like, yesterday we did create a new high on the 4 hour time frame. We have to go up for now. Alright. But we don't have any range to take the trade on the 30-minute time frame on GJ. But now for gold, gold has to came down on the 4 hour time frame. So if it create a resistance, it can fill this whole area. But before that, I think if we can get the closure below, we have a range on gold. We don't have the range on GJ, but we have the range on gold. So we can get enter into the gold. Yeah. And we are also seeing the volume. This is the volume. This is the London open volume. London open volume. So I'm done for the GJ, man. I'm done for the GJ. Oh, close right at the spot. Someone may think like impulse entry, but I'm not interested in impulse entries. I think if this kind of came all the way up, grab all the liquidity. How much? Look at this. If oh man, when we are at this level, it came down. Now we are down level. It is coming up. If we can come up, grab all the liquidity, then we get the closure below the range. On the next candle, that's it. If this candle moves all the way down to this level, then we will call it a day. I don't think so. Then there is anything for us. And yeah, GJ, nothing. I'm done for the GJ. Look at this from where it is rejecting. Man, market is shit. Like, look at this. Rejection towards the downside, then breakout. Rejection towards the upside. Now, I think we will go up. Like, from where we reject, we are rejecting the same area. First we reject towards the downside, we are rejecting. Now we are rejecting towards the upside. Yeah, man. Now you can understand what market is doing the stuff like this. Like, there is always a reason behind everything. There is a reason behind everything, man, and I'm feeling tired after sitting on the chair for 2 hours. More than 2 hours. But I think this is a good time. Like, this is where we got disciplined. This is where we got. I think I will start streaming in the New York session too, man, because I'm not disciplined in New York session. Like, break my rules most of the times. I think this is not the good case. This isn't the good case. So that will be the break even point for us. Oh wow, beautiful. This is a break even point for us. Yeah, BE point for us. Man, that's it. That's it. I'm done. Now I know where I have to close my half, where I have to close my 75%, 80%, whatever. I think I'll go with 1.5% on this trade. So let me update my risk. Man, I'm updating my risk. $50. Uh, I will update the risk after this candle close. I will see how this candle close. If it closes a good bearish candle below this level with a good bottom wick, then I'll go for a sell with a 1.5%. If I lose this 1.5%, I'll be at break even. I will be at break even, man. Yeah. GJ, USBJPY, Euro USD. Oh, 4 hour time frame breakout. Wow. Breakout on the 4 hour time frame. stop loss was 10 pips. Oh, it is running 11-12 pips there. Oh man, I didn't look at the Euro USD 4-hour time frame. So let me show you this stuff. 4 hour, this is the 4-hour range. This 4-hour kind of close above this range. Stop loss is like 11, 10 and a half, 11 pips. We have a clean range for 45 pips, 1 to 4. We can close half there. 1 to 2. Even close full there. In 20 pips. Oh yeah, that's it. Like 1 to 2 risk to reward. Yeah. 1 to 2 risk to reward. Man, one day I took the trade on the Euro USD. My stop loss was 3 pips and I got my stop loss was 3 pips on the current candle. Actually that entry was on the 15-minute time frame, and I closed the trade on 4-hour time frame. That was the first trade that I took on the Euro USD. That was the first good experience. So yeah man, let's see the comment section. You gonna see what NY session, yeah, gonna see when at NY session brings us for us. Yeah man, this is also good option. But yeah, I'm here for, if this kinda give me the opportunity, that's it. If it not, I'll call it a day man, because then I don't think so this is a good idea to stick on the charts, to stuck on the charts for a very long time. If we can get the closure below what we need, oh, we can use this stop loss. Yeah, we can use this stop loss. So yeah, that's good man. We can use the previous 15-minute candle, breakout candle stop loss. That will be 20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips there. But I still want for next candle to came up to create a top wick first, then go down. So let's see how we can get the opportunity there. We need opportunity there. Oh, even though on the 5-minute time frame we are very clean, there is no rejection. I want this 5-minute candle to close bullish, next candle to close bearish below the range, so we can get into the trade with to make something, to make some money, to catch some pips there. This is it. Yeah, if it can come up, that would be good. So how many people do we have on the stream now? Right, leave a like man. We are about to take a trade. Make there is no traffic jam along the extra mile. Thanks for the video. Fuck you. Yeah, I know you guys are shit. I know you guys are here to scam people. Ashley Carter makes $750 per day. This is the name of the account that just commented on my stream. She said there is no traffic jam along the extra mile. Thanks for the video. And now she is thinking like, hey man, people will came to my video, they will go to her account and they will message her. She doesn't know. No one watch my videos. Make sense with this strategy. Be fastest is this easiest. Fuck off. What I said, man, I like this candle to close bullish. I like the next candle to close below the range. And this is kind of an experience. Like what Ali said there. What he said there. He said this candle can flip. This candle can flip. Then came up. What happened? Same thing happened. So you have to understand this, man. Like, so I'm not taking any trade there on GJ. I'm done for the GJ. Even though we have 33 pip range, I'm getting greedy, man. Getting greedy. So this candle is trying to close bullish on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, we have 15 seconds left for the candle to close. Oh, I don't think so. We'll get the trade there. 4, 5. Yeah, that's it. Candle close bullish, but close with no wick at the top. We may see this candle close bearish below the range. If it close below the range, we'll go for the trade. If it not, then you guys know, like, we are in the range where there is no trade. We are in the range where there is no trade. Guys, leave a like on the stream so people can we may have a trade. We may have a trade, man. Kevin Holland. So yeah, but for now we are still waiting. We are waiting for the setup. So there is absolute nothing on GJ. But if we can get, but if we can get, if we can get the closure below the range in the next 4 minutes, I'll go for the trade. If don't, I'll done for the day. I'll done for the session, not for the day. This is my last bet, man, because then I think I will think like, man, I'm really forcing the trade. I don't want to force the trade. I just want to take the trade. If market is not showing me anything, so why I have to force the thing? I don't think so. I have to force the things. This is US30. US30. Yeah, man. Good, but nothing, man, nothing. So we have, let me see how many times we have for this candle to close. We have 3.5 minutes for this candle to close. If this candle close below the range, I'll go for the trade. If this candle don't close below the range, man, then what we can do? We can do nothing. Like, was there any trade for us? There was absolute no trade for us. Absolute no trade. Absolute no trade for us. 15 minutes. Oh man, I don't think so. I'll go in this trade. USDJPY gives a fake out. Oh man, look at Euro USD. I think it should 17-18 pips move done. Now 2 pips move is remaining for the 1 to 2 risk to reward. Yeah, 2 pip move is remaining. I think we may get the 2 pip move in just in the next 30-minute candle. So we have 1 minute left. 1 minute and 10-15 seconds left for this candle to close. If it close above the range, we can do anything there. If it close below the range, we can take the trade there. I think you can understand my stuff there. Yeah, man, very hard today, very hard. Not a very hard, like people can say it is a hard day, but what kind of people can say this? Those who break their plans, those who don't follow their rules, those who took the trades without a setup. There was no setup to take the trade. So yeah, I don't think so we'll get the closure below the range. Like, we have 15 seconds left. If we can get the closure below the range, we will not get the bottom wick. I don't think so we will not. Oh, close above the range. Alright guys, I'm gonna head off because market don't wanna give us anything. I'm gonna head off. It was a beautiful day. No rush, nothing. So yeah, we are not here to rush the things. So man, yeah, no rush. So yeah, man, I think we are very good, man. Like, this kind of one more time close above the range. I really want to see this candle to close below the range. I really want to see this candle to close above the range, but what it did, now you can understand this stuff. Like, this candle just closed below the range. What happened? This candle came all the way down, man. This is the stuff you have to understand. Like, if it closed below the range, that means it don't want to go up, it want to go down. Now it closed above the range, it means there's a 50-50 chance. Are we here to take the trades 50-50 chance? No. Absolute fucking no. Man, GJ was good. Like, I have to go for a trade, man, on GJ. But yeah, it is what it is. I don't care. Alright guys, so that was the day for me. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna head off now. We'll back tomorrow. Maybe I do stream in the New York session for the CPI. I don't think so there is anything for CPI for us. So yeah, take care guys, take care.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.